also know, after this short discussion, are we going to continue with the second short discussion? So at least I'll go and prepare for that, sir. If we are doing that and not going for the bills, we need a clarification, sir, so that we can at least prepare ourselves, sir. I request you to please come for the rescue, sir. And once again, I'm saying I'm not questioning your authority at all, sir. You have all the rights to take, sir. But it is a parliamentary practice where all the floor leaders are being taken into, confidence कि भाई CM साहब को जाना है, मिनिस्टर साहब को कहीं जाना है या कुछ मीटिंग है, जरा पहले ये ले लेंगे. तो we can go and prepare, sir. At least इतना तो coordination करो, sir. Sir, in Parliament, whenever the Parliament is announced, they announce the Parliament will start on this day, it will end on this day. Still, we do not know when are we ending the session. Every time the BSc is conducted, sir, whatever decision has been taken in BSc, it is circulated. Up till now, we don't know. Only one sentence came, Speaker will decide. Yes, sir, your authority, you have the authority, you can decide. But the question is, when are we going to decide? If the government is unable to run the house, so I can understand and imagine how they are running the government, sir.
Okay, our whip source, some office should have told, there should have been some gap. No, that was the gap. That was, no, yeah, होता भाई कभी कभी आप मान लें नहीं गलती को मानने नहीं सर why we should sorry it's the honorable speaker's direction which has to be followed. Why no, that is not our job. It's not my job to take you out of consideration and out of respect for the floor leader. He being the floor leader, we are answerable. He being the floor leader, we are answerable. Who is the floor leader there? You are not the floor leader there. Where is the floor leader? Where is the floor leader? Hey, how can you say that? Where is the floor leader? We are answerable to the floor leaders. Where is the floor leader? Sir, I have highest respect. Sir, I have highest respect. Sir, వాళ్ళ దగ్గర వారు